Hello, and welcome to How Tech Tutorials. In this video, we'll teach you how to use the Hanging Indent option in Microsoft Word. Hanging Indent is used for formatting your document, whether creating bibliographies or reference pages. It's an indentation of the second and subsequent lines of a text in a paragraph and is majorly used for APA, MLA, and other writing standards. Over here, we have a reference list in APA style, and we need to format it with a hanging indent. There are two ways we can use it. One is by using the paragraph setting option, and the other is simply by using the ruler. Each reference is added in a separate line. Now, let's highlight the text that we want to format. In the Home tab, within the Paragraph section, you can see the expanding arrow icon over here. Click on it to open up the Paragraph Settings window. Over here, under the Indentation section, select Hanging from the special drop-down menu. Click on OK to close the Paragraph Settings window, and you can see that the text has been formatted. Alternatively, you can do this by using the ruler as well. For that, let's move to the View tab from the ribbon on top and select the ruler option here. Once the grid appears, you can see that the top marker at the left side is the first line indent, and the bottom marker is the hanging indent. If you move the top marker, it will indent the first line of the paragraph, and similarly, if you move the bottom marker, it will indent the second line for each paragraph. That's all. Want to know more about any specific Microsoft Word feature? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell icon to be the first to know about our new videos.